Hey YouTube, we're about to get a big snowstorm here today. So went to the auto show, got some footage of that, got some other footage to upload, and I got a big snowmobile trip coming. So I'm finally gonna film it.
It looks really good in this color. You know what's interesting is that these don't have center lug, actually. Thought they would. AEV. This is your car. This is the one for you.
Grill, signature lighting, gold hyperline accents, and it's built to stand out. And what really matters is where it sits in the lineup.
All right, so I went ahead and cut this open because, you know, didn't want my address out there, but all right, went ahead and cut this open so my address is on it. But this is the swag pack that Sewlong sent. Again, shout out. So got some business cards that I had asked Mike to put in here. So yeah, I mean, I get asked all the time about the Bimini on my boat. And I did a review and I like it. That review was, unbiased, never had talked to anybody at the company. So this was just a really cool thing they did for me. So got some sweet swag, some koozies, some shirts. That's pretty funny. Got myself a bell there. I'm gonna call that a cowbell because I'm a Texan. So yeah, I got the floating keychains. Got another, it's for the wife there. I'm not a small. Another small, sweet. Something else in there too. Let's see, we got a notepad. That's pretty cool. Huh. That's funny. You can flash the signs at your riders. That's pretty cool. And I got a scorecard. That's pretty funny too. Looks like another one of these bags. Yeah, an even bigger one, which is awesome because I really like this bag even. I mean, this is sweet for the boat. Another one of the floating keychains. And then the main thing that I wanted to, and I'll do a review of this coming up, but this is the swim deck cover. And so I currently have, I'm on my second Evolution covers, swim deck cover. And while, not hating on them, I haven't done a review on them because my first one actually lasted about a year, and then I get bird poop all over the tops of them. And like my lake over here, where I'm at on the lake now, I won't get as as bad of bird poop, but where I used to be on the lake, I got tons and tons of ducks, and I think it was duck or geese poo, and it bled through the evolution cover. And then every time I used it, it would kind of like leave just some brown marks on my gator step. So I'm excited they use a different material. So anyways, my second evolution cover, and I will say this, Evolution Covers has amazing customer service as well. So they sent me a second cover under warranty and said that it shouldn't have been bleeding through like that. And then my second one lasted about another year, and then it started to rip in like the corners on my Moomba. So this is made out of sunbrella. So I'm hoping this is a little more durable. These do cost more too, right? So I mean, these do cost more. The sunbrella material, I mean, it's, you know, it's sunbrella. It's, the industry kind of knows it as one of the better materials for covers. I know they, like, Sewlong does board rack covers too. I forget who mine are from. So if you know, if I have a problem with durability on my board rack covers, I'll probably end up going to the Sewlong stuff as well. But yeah, I'll get a little video up in the summer once I put this on and kind of have used it for a few, maybe even at the end of the summer, I'll review it and see what I think. But the evolution covers work. I mean, they fit really nice, but that material is a little more like plasticky. And so in the corners where it kind of gets stretched tight, you know, it started to rip. And maybe that's because I let my friends put it on, take it on, you know, take it off, put it on. Whereas I know when I do it, I'm very careful. But anyways, this was pretty cool. So thanks again, Sewlong, and so long. All right, so I was kind of like looking at some of the stuff they sent, and so I like this, ring the bell of excellence. But this is something that's kind of a big deal to me, and this is a Bevan bell, but it's made in the U.S., so that's really cool. I like when companies are like cognizant about like they manufacture in the U.S., so obviously they like to support other U.S. companies. Pretty cool.